Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Forster, and it is Monday, and we are going to be finishing up our biography unit for social studies. So I have a fun idea for this week. You can choose a way to show your learning. That means that I'm going to show you 3 different projects, 3 different ways that you can show me that you know about biographies. 3 choices to show your learning, and you get to choose. Mr. Amron has talked to you about biographies and why we read them and who we read about and why we choose that person. Sometimes we choose someone that's interesting to us. Sometimes we choose someone that did something that we would like to do. The first idea is you could make a poster. You can either make a poster on your iPad or you could make a poster on paper, and you're going to tell about your famous person. And your poster should tell us who you did your poster, your project on. Identify why this person is famous. What did they do, or why is their biography something that was interesting to you? Describe when and where this person was born. And if they have already died, maybe you'll write about somebody that's still alive. And why? Provide a reason why everyone should know who this person is. So I'm going to show you some examples. These are not the posters that you have to do. You use your own idea. There's Abraham Lincoln. We have a poster with a picture of him in the middle with some information about him. Another poster about Abraham Lincoln. A fun way to make a biography poster about Pele, because it puts him in the middle and then shows lots of information around the outside. There we have a poster about Pocahontas, Martin Luther King, and Jackie Robinson. So that's an idea. Your posters don't have to be this big. They just have to have the information that was on that page about the poster. You could dress up like the person and have somebody record you making a little movie. And you could just give me the answers of who did you read about, and give me 2 facts, 2 things about that person. Tell me why this person is famous. Describe when and where this person was born, and provide a reason why everyone should know who this person is. I'm going to show you some examples. These are boys and girls that dressed up like someone. Now they did a poster also, but you don't have to unless you'd like to. They just dressed up like the person that they were studying, and then they talked about it. So we have somebody, a girl who dressed up as Milton Hershey, a boy that dressed as Theodore Roosevelt, a girl that dressed as Helen Keller, and someone that dressed as Albert Einstein. Or you don't have to have a poster like I was saying. You can just dress up and then have your brother, your sister, somebody record you talking about Frida Kahlo, or somebody from the United States history, or maybe you'll read about a famous astronaut, and you could even dress like a rocket ship or an astronaut. Now this is the one because we have Thanksgiving. You could create a turkey on your iPad, or like a real art project kind of turkey, and dress your turkey like that famous person. If you do the turkey, you still need to tell me 2 facts about the person. Who is the person? Why this person is famous. Describe when and where this person was born, and provide a reason why everyone should know who this person is. So I'll show you a couple fun turkey ideas. Here's someone's turkey dressed like Elvis Presley. There's a turkey dressed like an astronaut. The turkey that is disguised as a dinosaur Maybe you'll write about a scientist that studied dinosaurs, a paleontologist. Maybe you could write about Walt Disney, and there is a turkey that is dressed up like Mickey Mouse because Walt Disney invented Mickey Mouse. Here are just some other ideas for turkeys, but remember, if you do the turkey, you still need to write the information and glue it on your turkey or on the back or record it and tell me about your turkey dressed as a famous person. Now, how are you going to choose someone and how are you going to learn about them? Well, you can go to Safari on your tablet and search for famous people. And then when you see someone that you'd like to learn about, you can read the information about that person. Look for pictures of that person. Watch videos of that person, or even a combination of all those three. So now you get to choose. Do you want to make a poster, or dress up and do a little movie, or decorate a turkey to show what you learned about the person you chose? Follow the directions to tell your teacher the answers to the questions who, what, when, why, and use your best writing with capital letters and punctuation. The seesaw activity for today is just to tell your teacher which one you'd like to do and who you'd like to do your project about. You don't need to have your project finished until Thursday. And Thursday during social studies, you're going to get to tell the rest of the class about your project. You could show it to us at Zoom, and you can be proud and tell us who you read about. So remember, for Monday, for today, all you need to do is circle your choice. I want to do a poster, or I want to dress up and do a little movie, or I'd like to do a turkey biography. That means you decorate a turkey. And I am going to do my biography project about, and here you write the person's name. You can do your biography about someone that we have already learned about, or you can do your biography about someone you would like to study and learn about. Hope you have fun.